months.
6 months. Time for a new one.
Yeah.
What's on the agenda today?
Laundry and getting water.
You never know when you're going to throw up.
In this episode, join us as the weather window opens up and we leave Gun Cay and make the crossing back to the U.S. Destination, Fort Lauderdale, so we can do some provisioning and try to get used to all the lights, boat traffic, people, and sounds of a big city again. Where are we headed?
I'm not sure. I love that answer. People give me the answer. Where you headed? I don't have a plan. What that's code for is, I don't want you to know where I'm going. And I don't want you to follow me. No, we're heading to Fort Lauderdale.
Okay.
Exactly 50 miles from here.
From Oklahoma, neither of us have ever seen a tornado in real life, and then we get out here and we have seen dozens of these water spouts.
Flag a little ratty. Let's see. Show us. We need a new one. Yeah. 6 months.
6 months.
6 months. Time for a new one.
Yeah.
We love hitting the Gulf Stream and letting it do some of the work. Our top speed, 10 knots.
From 1/2 mile south of the Fort Lauderdale Inlet to 2 miles south of the Daniel Picture, between 1/2 mile east of the coastline and 2 miles east of the coastline. These operations are considered to be a hazard to navigation. All vessels are requested to stay well clear of the Navy vessel during operations. Attention, 17th Street Bridge is preparing to open. Requesting vessels please remain outside the fenders till the spans are fully open. Stand by for next available, please.
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá.
This is the party hangout for the locals and visitors, New River Sandbar.
No quiero más problemas, quiero más fiesta y alegría en mi vida. Estoy trabajando todos los días, pero no siento mucha pena. La semana está por terminar y la fiesta va a empezar. Oye,
Shit.
Where we been?
We went to the park here in Fort Lauderdale and filled these water jugs.
It does look yellow. Hopefully it's not.
We're going to test it.
We're gonna test it.
But we can't make water in the anchorage we're in, so hopefully this works. Or we have to go out in the ocean. Open ocean.
Yeah. I'm sure there's a
It looks clear in that.
way to do it right. 16 parameter water test strip. I can't remember. 2 seconds. Gently shake and compare. One, two.
Buckle my shoe.
pH 6.5. Let's go down to chlorine. Total chlorine. That don't look right. It's brown. I don't have that choice on total chlorine.
Is everything else okay?
There's no iron. There's no H2S. Hardness.
These look good.
We have never been to Fort Lauderdale, so it's time to check things out.
Hanging out by the water. Sarah is making me take my daily 10,000 steps. I think we've done 1,000.
This is day one. We are not walking near enough.
We are looking for a burger joint. We're going to try out 411. It looks nice and quiet, not so busy.
Where are we?
We are in Fort Lauderdale. We are provisioning for our alcohols. We got to unload from the rental car into the dinghy and take it to the boat.
Dinghy down there, boat out there.
There's just a couple here.
Is that it?
We didn't get very much. Just a couple of cases, a couple of beers.
So how much is a case of beer in Bahamas?
Bahama beer, $75 a case.
That's the cheapest.
No, not the cheapest. We found it for $44, I think, is the cheapest I found it.
You have enough. How many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cases of beer.
And
You never know when you're going to throw up.
you got your exercise. What'd you get?
We got our new foil board. We're so excited.
Say that again.
We got our new foil board. We are so excited.
Now you got to get it loaded
Okay,
before
I'm
that
excited.
ends.
What's on the agenda today?
Laundry and getting water.
Why are we going to the laundromat?
Because we are in the ICW and we don't make water when we're in the ICW. So that means we can't use our washing machine. So now I've got 2 giant IKEA bags full of laundry. Yeah, that's where we're headed. A day of work.
Your butt's all wet. Come here, Archie. Alright. I love you too. Be careful. Don't talk to strangers.
When we get to a new destination that we're going to be for a while, first thing to do is research. Where can we land the dinghy? Where can we do laundry? Where can we walk to the grocery store? Where to dispose of trash? Where can we get fresh water? Kind of like a treasure hunt.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Thanks so much for watching, and hit that subscribe button so we can see you next Thursday. And a special thanks to all of our subscribers who have already done that. It means a lot.